Hi, Elio here from Claranet UK. We just wanted to send a message out to tell you about a project that we at Claranet have recently joined in the hope that it spreads the word and gets even more people involved in it. We've started to donate computing power from our cloud platform, Claranet Cloud, as well as from our personal computers, to the Folding at Home project. Now, the Folding at Home project essentially creates a massive, powerful, distributed computer system that allows researchers to run big, complex simulations around protein dynamics. This would otherwise take a lot of expensive hardware or take a very long time to run. Now, this project allows us as volunteers to add our personal computing power, or in Claranet's case, virtual machines, to the pool of resources that can run these simulations, which provides data to scientists so they can better understand biology and ultimately to help create therapeutics against a range of diseases. Now, this project has, of course, shifted its focus to the battle against coronavirus, and Claranet wanted to help. So the more, obviously the more computing power they have, the more insights the researchers will have and understand the virus better and ultimately try and find ways to fight it. If you would like to get involved, we urge you to go to foldingathome.org, where you can find out more about the project and find out how you can add your laptop, desktop, or any computing power you have at your disposal and start contributing. You can create your own team or join a team and start folding. We at Claranet joined the VMware team, which is climbing nicely up the leaderboards. So, yeah, we hope you get involved, and thanks for watching.